Have you ever wondered why some people seem to feel no guilt after doing something wrong? It's a fascinating and complex question. First off, it's important to know that guilt isn't something we're born with. It's actually a learned emotion. Think about it. As kids, we learn right from wrong through our parents, teachers, and the rules of society. This upbringing shapes our inner moral compass and our capacity to feel guilt when we cross a line. But it's not just about how we're raised. Our brains play a huge role too. Scientists have found that the brains of some individuals process emotions like empathy and think about consequences differently. Certain areas of the brain that light up when we feel for others might be less active in some people. This doesn't mean they're broken, just that their wiring is different, which can lead to a reduced sense of guilt. Another piece of the puzzle is emotional detachment. Some people naturally have a lower emotional response to situations that would make others feel upset or guilty. It's like their emotional volume dial is turned down. This isn't always a conscious choice. It can be a way the mind protects itself. Speaking of which, our brains have powerful defense mechanisms. Sometimes, to cope with a difficult truth, the mind might suppress or block out feelings of guilt altogether. It's a survival tactic to avoid being overwhelmed by negative emotions. Of course, our environment is incredibly influential. Growing up in a place where harmful actions are normalized, or experiencing significant trauma or neglect, can deeply affect how a person develops guilt. If you're never taught that certain actions are hurtful, or if you've had to shut down your emotions to survive, feeling guilt might not come naturally. Now, it's crucial to understand that not feeling guilt doesn't automatically mean someone has a mental health disorder. While it can be a trait in conditions like antisocial personality disorder, many people who experience less guilt don't fit that diagnosis. It exists on a spectrum. Also, feeling no guilt doesn't mean a person is destined to harm others. It's a risk factor, sure, but choice and personal values still play a massive part. This is where psychology becomes so important. By understanding the roots of guilt or the lack of it, we can develop better strategies for prevention, intervention, and simply raising awareness. It helps us see people not as good or bad, but as complex individuals shaped by a mix of biology, upbringing, and personal experiences. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the human mind.